back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the original Nike 4 Retro, collaborated with Ma Maniere, Violet Oreo. And this pair was retail for around $225 plus tax and then shipping fee. So total out the door is about like $260. The style number is DV6773-220. And it was released on November 23rd, 2002. So my son copped this. Anyway, let's go and then unbox it. Wow, look at the box, pretty cool. So this is like a clear with their logo sleeve. Let's go and then slide out. And have plastic. So you got like a violet color on the box with the black Jumpman, and you got the flight on Ma Maniere. And this side you got the Jumpman with the Air logo on there. So yeah, it says the box is made in China. So this side got a cut opening right here, and then there like a logo right here. Got the Jumpman Air again. Let's go and check out the size label right here. And this one is the size 9. So the shoes is made in Vietnam, but the box are made in China. And here's the UPC code. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. Wow, look at the graphic on top of the lid. Even the tissue paper. Wow, look at the pair. Nice. Even the tag is ziplock to protect from scratching or scuff. And this is like a hard plastic. And on the tongue right here, you got the letter A and then flight. And you got the airbags right here. So they got the logo right here. And also, you got the black Nike with the swoosh logo. Wow, look at the inner side of the tongue. Pretty padded. Oh, look at the insole. Nice. And you got the men's size 9. And you got the label right there. The signature. Let's go and check on the other side. You got another one. This is like a wax paper. So a little imperfection right here. And on the pull tag, said it's not about the shoes. Huh. And then you got the same label right here. And this side says it's about where you are going. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.